there, FA here on FA TV. We just got done going live with how to make a bomb sandwich. Callie's here. She got her hair cut and get a little kind of bangs in there. Oh, hi. Next thing, I think this is the new thing, okay? I really do. We have a air fryer. Those are Matthew's old glasses, Callie.
I know.
So we have an air fryer, and I gotta tell you, everybody's talking about it, and I got some French fries. What else better to fry in an air fryer than some French fries? So
I'm a grandma.
Callie here is gonna come back when it's all done, and she's gonna try these air fried French fries and tell me how good they are. Right, Callie?
I'm the
So,
judge.
and Matthew, who also loves French fries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love those glasses.
He loves French fries too. So I got this air fryer over here. Here's the air fryer.
It's Matthew's too, because it's Matthew and Young today.
We got some French fries in here, just some regular crinkle cut French fries. I just started it, and it's supposed to be.
Check how much calories are in each one.
I got a new phone. I can't say the company.
No.
It's a Pixel one.
That's okay. Shh. Matthew's gonna start making new videos.
Gaming videos.
He's gonna start doing some gaming.
Minecraft, Mario Kart,
I touched his beard.
his beard went away.
So, yeah, shave the beard a little bit down. Matthew's going to be making some gaming videos. I think we're going to go branch out with a separate channel for him. I'm not sure what we're going to call it yet. He's Matty the Beast on TikTok, so he might do something like that for his YouTube gaming channel. But anyways, how apropos after making the most bomb sandwich, we have the most bomb air-fried French fries. And I'm telling you, this air fryer, it sounds like, listen to it. It's like a cyclone going up. I remember those old As Seen on TV. And I don't know if you remember, yeah, thanks. I don't want any candy, thank you. I don't know if you remember the As Seen on TV where they had those little convection cookers. Well, I think this is a little bit like that, but it's supposed to make things air fried so good.
Can we say Mario Kart in our videos?
Well, in Matthew, in his gaming videos, which has nothing to do with air fryers, he wants to do, I guess, a lot of Switch game. He just got a Switch for Christmas. I gotta tell you a story. Matthew had a Switch. He got a Switch a while back, and he freaking lost it because he hid it in the cat house. He hid it in the.
Yeah, because this one kept messing.
So we moved from the old house, and he put his Switch in the cat house, and we threw away the old broken cat house.
That might not be the reason, though. That might not.
We threw away a Switch. We threw away a Switch, so the boy has one now, and he's so.
And I like the black controller more than the blue.
He's so joyous. The jubilation of Christmas.
I've been playing on it for the past.
The jubilation of Christmas with a brand new Switch.
When are we doing
With
giveaways?
lots of new games now. What?
When are we doing giveaways?
Not until we get to monetization. So we are not at monetization yet, but we're getting close. And after we get to monetization, 50% of everything we make on this channel is going to charity.
Children's hospitals, pet care,
The arts, children's hospitals, the homeless, endangered species.
Michael's.
Yeah, all kind. Well, Michael's doesn't need the help. We'll give it to starving artists that can't buy anything at Michael's.
When is this going to be ready?
I don't know. It's not ready yet.
I want a French fry.
I have to check. I'm not sure how long we're supposed to do French fries. So I'm going to stop right here, take a pause this, and I'm going to look up how long does it take to air fry some French fries. Because I think that's what the kids are all going to mainly want, are like their chicken fingers and French fries. So I'll be right back. I think I hear it about done in there, and we should have some air fried French fries. So this is seriously a product test. We've never used it before.
No.
And OMG, look at those fries.
Yummy.
Mm-mm-mm.
Messy.
Look at those fries right there. Seem to smell okay. Let's put some, put some salt on there.
A Yes, salt.
All right.
I want to dump it. Can I do it?
No, let me do it because this is coming right out of the Mortensons, and you don't want so bad that it's not so good, you know. All right. So what else do you think we should do next?
Put them on our plate so we can eat it.
Put them on the plate so we can eat it. And I have a lot of light behind me, so I'm gonna. Wow! Let's go turn off these. All right. So we had so much light going on that we're gonna have to fix that.
Don't do that.
Okay. All right.
That
Gotta
smells
put down.
like water. It smells like water.
It smells like water. How we're gonna? Is it really hot in there? Let's get them out somehow. Here we go. Maybe like a spatula,
Or you can just dump it.
or I could dump it.
And then
All right. Maybe
no, you
just
go
dump.
like this.
Maybe that'll help get it out. Oh, they look way fried. They look way fried. Check that out. Do they feel? They feel fried. Oh, they're way fried.
Oh, they're a little burnt.
Oh, you can even hear them clinking on the plate, right?
First,
All right.
first test. In 3,
2.
But I need ketchup.
Oh, she needs to have the ketchup.
Hot.
Oh, they're hot? Real hot.
I'm gonna wait for.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna take
they're
one.
really good.
Wow,
I didn't.
that's
taste
pretty
it.
amazing.
I'll try one. I'll try one bite.
These fries, actually from the air fryer, are super crunchy. Mommy's gonna have to try some of these. You have to bring some up to her, right?
Good.
Yep.
It's good. Oops.
Okay, everybody.
It's hot as air.
And that's why I use ketchup to cool it down.
Hot air. Hot French fry.
Are the best French fries.
This particular brand of
If one of y'all got
air
this-
fryer.
Guys, if you got this for Christmas, comment down below.
Yeah, this was a Christmas present my wife and I got for each other. Really good air fryer. Seems to make legit, very good French fries.
Oh, yeah,
But before we end, I want to thank you all for subscribing. We have recently reached.
it tastes like McDonald's.
It does. It does taste a little bit more like McDonald's because it's very crunchy. We recently hit 1,500 subscribers. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the last video where we made an awesome sandwich. I want to ask you to like, subscribe, tell your friends about us. We're going to do a next episode of The Art of F.A. Checky on FATV where we continue to paint the cityscape, the city scene, Fantasy City. So please support the channel. Like we said earlier, 50%, half of all the money we make is
guess
going
what?
to good
We're going
causes.
back to school on January 8th.
Yeah, they got the kids are still on Christmas vacation. What better thing to do than to use the stuff we got for Christmas and make some bomb French fries?
Can you open this? Don't show the brand.
Gotta have some soda with the fries. Here,
Just
hold
like
it.
McDonald's.
You hear that? So we will see you all next time. Thank you for watching. It's been fun. All right, guys, say goodbye.
Bye.